National Weather Service in Miami has issued a special marine warning for Lake Okeechobee until 4:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 3:29 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated a line of strong thunderstorms, capable of producing winds 34 knots or greater, located along a line extending from 10 nautical miles south of Buckhead Ridge to near Lake Harbor, moving northeast at 25 knots. Mariners can expect gusty winds, high waves, dangerous lightning, and heavy rains. Boaters should seek safe harbor immediately until these storms pass. Frequent lightning is occurring with this storm. If caught on the open water, stay below deck if possible. Keep away from ungrounded metal objects.